How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be working on my electric bike. It's an XP 2.0. I lost the keys on it, so I can't turn it on. Although, weird thing is, I was able to turn it on while it's charging, but when it's unplugged, I can't turn it on. So we're going to have to drill out the lock in order to get to the battery itself to rewire it so I can use it without the key. Getting the big drill, going to do the big drill stuff. Oh, I'm almost at the part right here where the pin's at. So there's like a little bar right here. I don't think that was supposed to happen. All right, bigger drill bit time. Maybe I can bash that in and get the battery out now. Oh, I get metal sliver. Ah, that hurt. All right, if I can get this pin in all the way, I can pop this battery out. Ooh, that actually, wait a minute, this might actually work. Use my busted drill bit that I messed up. I think that's it. Okay, oh, it worked. I pushed that pin all the way, drilled that bad boy out, and now we can diagnose the problem here. If it does, it does, I guess. That should be it for the screws, and then I should be able just to take out the vise and just, oh, that's a lot of shreddings in there. You guys can see that or not. It's just full of it. I wonder why that is. Ugh. The thing I most care about is this guy right here. I believe it's this one. No, it's not. It's So it's this guy right here. This is the key connector. So we're gonna disconnect that, unscrew that, pop out the key lock, and then call that good. This guy should just pop out. Oh, it did. Cool. Alright, that's all that's left right there. Just for connectors right there, nothing else. Alright, so now we gotta bridge these guys and then it's permanent. Alright, we're on plan B now. There. Just had it. Oh, come on. Why was it when I put stuff down, things disappear? That's so crazy. No, 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 no. I'm so colorblind. Here it is. Alright, so we got 2 wires. Or twist them. We're just putting on the very, very small wire nut. And now they're connected. So now it's always on. Now we check the voltage. It's a multimeter. We're gonna go to 200. Cool. So positive, negative. Okay, cool. 54 volts, so this battery is actually fully charged. It's not dead, so the charger's not broken. If that's the case, this bike should work right away. I'm gonna do this so you go, oh, I almost dropped the battery. That would have been really bad. Everything stays right there, hang on.
Yeah, it looks fine. All right, cool. All right, it's back. Giant gaping hole on it, that's about it. But let's see the bike turns on now. All right, check this out. Man, can you guys see that? It's on. It didn't do that before. Without a key, it just didn't turn on, and now it works just fine. Sweet. Let's go test it out. The seat might be too low, but that's all right. It's for fat people. It's my fat butt seat. Miles an hour, woo! But yeah, the bike works. Even better, anyone can steal this, I guess. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Doo-doo. Oh boy, I'm out of shape. Whew. But fun little project, I think, so see you guys later.